Hey, yo, what's going on, you guys? FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Gemini Mace's U.S. Navy P-8 Poseidon. Now, I'm really excited for this one because I think there's only 4 or 5 reviews on this model out on YouTube, so I'm really excited to be reviewing this model, and I'm really happy that it's in my collection now. It is a pretty rare model from what I hear. And yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right on into this video. Here you go, here at the front of the box, it's got that beautiful Gemini Mace's design, got that military feel and look to it. You got your Navy logo, P-8 Poseidon, near the sides of the box. From what I heard, this is a pretty rare model, and I heard that it was pretty hard to get. So if it is rare, I think I might look into trying selling it. That's a flap. There's the inside of the box. This is newer Gemini Mace's, so it's the first time this model's ever been opened. But yeah, I'm really excited that I have this model now, because wow, this thing is sick. Oh, reading a little bit. This thing is, oh my gosh, this thing's cool. Here is the model. It's beautiful. The detail on this plane is wild. Like, I am blown away with the amount of detail that they put into this plane. Yeah, this is nuts how much detail's in this plane, with all the little antennas and radar domes and all that stuff. But yeah, this is a beautiful model. And I'm super excited that it's now in my collection, and just to have this model, I mean, it's beautiful. But let me know what you guys think on this model in the comment section below. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, sorry. And I guess I'll see you guys next week for another video.
Sorry to interrupt everything at the end of the video, but I just want to thank you guys all so much for this wonderful year. It really has been a treat to make videos for you guys. Sorry this video was 2 weeks late. My computer broke, but I got a new one, so everything will be back on schedule. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Thank you all so much for a wonderful year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you all in 2023. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation, signing off.